What is up, YouTube? Today I'm doing a how to install and play Minecraft mods. And I have Nico here with me. Nico said something.
No, you don't.
Nico said he's not here. Okay, so
Yes.
let's start off simple. Okay, now let me just how do I do this? Why is it not working? Oh, browsing as a guest, that way you guys don't see all my thing. Okay, so basically, what you want to do is install Twitch. You want to install the Twitch app.
Yeah!
Yep. I'm pretty sure this is the one you want to download. And then, once that installs, you will have this, and it will run you through all the instructions on how to, and I'll just go ahead and show you guys what happens when you install it. So I'll just have to fast forward this part of it downloading. So basically, there's 13 seconds left, so I'm just gonna stop fast forwarding, and then get right to how to set it up. Okay. So it sets up, right? And then I don't know why it didn't take me through the whole setup, but you come to this page, like it brings you to once you're done setting it up, it brings you to this Twitch page. And what you want to do is make sure that you have bought Minecraft Java Edition. And what you want to do is go to mods, then you do Minecraft, and then you do browse Modpacks. Oh my gosh, Nico, I'm trying to do a tutorial. Nico, jeez. Okay, Nico's muted now. So, what you want to do, right, is you go click browse Modpacks, right, and then say you like to do quests in Minecraft. So what you want to do is press on this, and you can see all the different types that you might like, and then you press quests, and it brings you to a bunch of mod packs that are quest based, like Sky Factory 4. You have to do a bunch of stuff in, like, you have to find out how to make stone and all that stuff, and then roguelike adventures and dungeons. This is my personal favorite. Personally, this is my favorite mod pack. And then out of my mod packs, I would recommend Sky Factory 4 and roguelike adventures personally. But say you don't like doing quests, but instead you want to do like combat. So RL Craft would be the way to go. Like the lucky block thing. Yeah, and then if you don't really care, and then you just want to say, well, let's just see what's most popular. So this is going to be the most popular. Let's go. Oh my gosh. But RLCraft is the most popular with 5 million downloads, right? So, and then from here, so I don't have this one installed, so we're going to use Valhalla 2 as our demonstration. So what we do is we press on the name, then you wait for it to load, and then you press play. And then if you're thinking about setting up a server with your friends, you could do a download server pack. But that could be a whole nother video if you guys want. So what you do is you install it, wait for it to install, then you press play, and then it opens up the Java launcher. And then you make sure it's selected, which it should be, and then you press play. And then I'm not gonna open it because I'm not actually planning on to play, but that's basically how you do it. Very short video today, but just a tutorial for you guys. And thank you for Rozo, or Daniel, I don't know how to pronounce his YouTube name, but he gave us the idea of doing a tutorial. So, I want to give a huge thanks to him and giving us this idea. So, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped you guys. And if you want to see the server pack tutorial, let me know, and I will